In a world filled with constant challenges and distractions, it's easy to lose sight of what truly matters. But what if we could unlock the power of gratitude and cultivate a mindset that empowers us to navigate through life's ups and downs? Welcome to a journey of self-discovery where we explore the transformative impact of gratitude and the importance of fostering the right mindset. Gratitude is a superpower that can reshape our lives. It's the practice of acknowledging and appreciating the good in our lives, no matter how big or small. Gratitude has changed my life. When I started focusing on the things I have instead of what I lack, I realized how truly blessed I am. Developing a gratitude mindset has allowed me to overcome challenges with a positive attitude. It's like a compass that keeps me on track, even in the toughest of times. Gratitude opens the door to abundance, resilience, and a profound sense of well-being. But how can we cultivate gratitude in our daily lives? First, start a gratitude journal. Take a few moments each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for and write them down. It could be as simple as a warm cup of coffee in the morning or a supportive friend. I can sit here and think of 50 things most folks should be grateful for, and I don't even know them. How can you appreciate what you don't have yet if you aren't willing to be grateful with what you do have now? Next, practice mindful appreciation. Pause and fully experience the beauty around you, the vibrant colors of nature, the laughter of loved ones, or the taste of a delicious meal. Surround yourself with positive influences. Choose uplifting books, podcasts, and mentors who inspire and motivate you to become the best version of yourself. Remember, developing the right mindset is equally as important on this journey. It's about embracing a growth mindset, an attitude that believes in the power of learning, perseverance, and self-belief. Your mindset shapes your reality. When faced with obstacles, a fixed mindset sees limitations, while a growth mindset sees opportunities for growth and learning. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. Every setback is an opportunity to learn, adapt, and improve. It's not about avoiding failure, but about having the resilience to bounce back even stronger. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Connect with like-minded individuals who uplift and encourage you on your journey. Together, you can achieve greatness. Finally, practice positive affirmations. Rewire your mind with empowering thoughts and beliefs. Remind yourself daily that you are capable, you are worthy, and deserving of success. Gratitude and mindset are the key potentials to unlocking your full potential. They empower you to see the world through a lens of abundance and create a life filled with joy, purpose, and success. And here's a little golden nugget to help you get started. Instead of saying things like, I got to do this or I have to do that, change just one word and the whole meaning changes. Say things like, I get to go to work today. I get to spend time with my loved ones. I get to sleep with a roof over my head. One word can change your life. Embrace the power of gratitude and you'll be amazed at how it can change you.